So level 1 of my game was nice and easy. For level 2, I thought to add a bit of challenge, we'd have some enemies. So I've got Bomb Guy here patrolling, and in good time he's going to be shooting bombs at me, but I want to be able to shoot him. Quickly about Bomb Guy, I've used the rectangle movement to go get him patrolling backwards and forwards like this. I've set him to use the run animation, and I've also made him face in the right direction using the event sheet. I'll quickly show you what that looks like. So because I've got that rectangle movement, I can check if he's moving to the left. If he is, I flip him horizontally. That's gone to yes. If he's moving to the right, he is not flipped. So that's working well. Right, back to Big Guy, who I want to be able to shoot at things. So that's a behavior is going to be the easiest way to do this. Go to Add Behaviors, look up the Fire Bullet behavior, which has got a lot of functionality. What we're also going to need is a bullet to fire. So I'm going to click the plus and I'm going to fire this cannonball. Add that to the scene. So when I press the fire button, it will fire the button in the direction that he is facing. So let's hop into the event sheet and make that happen. Add a new event. Condition, I think I need a fire button on my keyboard. So under other conditions, I can go to keyboard and I can say when a particular key is pressed, and I'm going to go with Q is going to be the button to fire a bullet. So when the Q key is pressed, we are going to fire. So add action and Big Guy, and because I've added that fire bullet behavior, we've got a bunch of stuff to do with firing bullets. So you'll find here ammo, and there's a bunch of other things scattered kind of through here. But specifically, we want it to fire a bullet, and we're going to use this towards an angle. We can do all kinds of things. We can fire bullets towards like the mouse position or something like that, if that's your preferred style of game. But I'm just going to fire it left and right, depending on which way I'm facing. So fire bullets towards an angle. Bit of configuration needed over here. Let's pick our bullet object first, which is the cannonball, which we've already imported. And where to create the bullet. It needs to know at what point the bullet is being created. And the best place I think right now is I'm going to create it in the center of Big Guy. So I have to say Big Guy dot, and then we can look at all kinds of properties of Big Guy. In this case, it's just going to be the center X, and the center Y is the coordinates where I want to put the bullet. Angle of the bullets, 0 is directly to the right, and speed of bullet, I'm going to say 400. We can change that later easily. So that should work. So if I press the Q key now, yeah. So you can see it, you can just about see it spawning it right in the middle of me. That's kind of okay for now, and I can fire quite a lot of bullets. Just have a quick look at that, and then the next video will manage some other things about that. So under the fire bullet behavior, we've got this cooldown, which is a good thing to have. 0.1 seconds between bullets at the moment. If you want them to be able to fire less rapidly, you could save 0.5, or more rapidly, like twice as many bullets, 0.05. Let's see what that feels like. It's a bit too overpowered, and they're not doing any damage to Bomb Guy yet. That will come in subsequent videos.